I'm Leah and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be telling you all about the post-relaxer wash routine that I recently tried out. So why am I trying out a post-relaxer wash routine? Why? I mean, I just figured out what my hair regimen was. I figured out what all the hair products I was going to use are. Why in the world do I need to figure this out? Well, I'm going to tell you. So let me take you back in the day when I first started my whole relaxed hair journey. I had a wash routine for pretty much every single week of my relaxer stretch. Like, not kidding. I had specific products and things that I was doing pretty much for each week. And while that was great at the time, I don't really need that right now. But what it did show me and help me understand is that there are a couple of key weeks in my relaxer stretch that I really need to pay attention to. And those weeks are the week right before my relaxer touch-up and the week right after my relaxer touch-up. And those are really key in terms of what I do to make sure that I have a really good relaxer day, and then also to make sure that I'm counteracting the effects that the relaxer is having on my hair. So knowing that some of the effects that relaxers have on my hair is creating calcium buildup, breaking down the bonds and making my hair strands weaker, as well as also drying out my hair, I wanted to make sure that everything that I'm doing in this routine really works to counteract all those three things. And so that's what I tried out. And so let me tell you what those products are that I decided to use. So first off, I started with a Prepoo, which I do every single wash day, and I made sure once again that this was a moisturizing Prepoo. So I used this conditioner. It's the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream Curl Quenching Conditioner, and it's very moisturizing. I mixed it with some olive oil, some coconut oil, and then also a little bit of lavender oil as well, which is good for the scalp. So that was very hydrating for my hair. I left it on for about 30 minutes using no heat, not covering my head, and when I rinsed it out, my hair felt very soft and hydrated, which is exactly what I was going for. And the reason I was going for hydrating is because the next step was clarifying. My stylist uses a no-lye relaxer. It can leave calcium buildup on my hair. So I want to make sure that I'm stripping that off because it can make my hair feel dry and my hair is already naturally dry. So the clarifying shampoo I use is the ORS Olive Oil Moisture Restore Creamy Aloe Shampoo. And this thing, it can be used as a neutralizer or a clarifying shampoo because it really helps to break up the product buildup and everything that's on your hair. But it doesn't strip your hair so it feels like straw. Because a lot of clarifying shampoos I've used in the past make my hair feel like really dry, like a desert, and like straw. And this shampoo does not do that. But even though it doesn't, I like to follow up my clarifying shampoo with a moisturizing shampoo. Now, the one that I use this time is the Main Choice Detangling Hydrating Shampoo. This is not a staple for me. It's not one that I plan to repurchase. It's even a shampoo that I didn't quite care for in the beginning, but over time, my hair seemed to adapt to it and kind of like it. But I needed to finish this up because it'd been around for way too long, and I was like, let's just use this. My hair sort of is okay with it. And I thought it would be a great way to add some additional moisture to my hair after I clarified it. So after shampooing, it was then time to counteract the effect that the breaking of the bonds can have on my hair, because when the bonds are broken, it makes the hair strands weaker. So I needed to help rebuild and add some strength back to my hair. And I did that by using the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. Once again, this is a product that I was not liking. I didn't really see much of an impact on my hair from it, but I've started using it differently than I did the first couple of times I tried it. So a lot of the hair influencers that I follow that have great, gorgeous hair, they use Olaplex after they do their relaxer touch-up. Interesting thing that I noticed is that they don't quite follow the directions. Now, the directions say to use this before you shampoo. I found that they use it after they shampoo. So I started to do that as well, and I started to notice that my hair actually responded more to this treatment when I used it on clean hair. I guess I had maybe too many products on my hair, and so it was keeping it from really doing what it needed to do. So I wasn't getting the full effect of the treatment. So now that I use it after I shampoo, I've seen better results. And this is now a product that I plan to use regularly the week after I get a relaxer touch-up. So the Olaplex is a treatment. It's not a deep conditioner. It's not a hair mask. So it doesn't add any moisture or hydration to your hair. And knowing that no-lye relaxers can kind of dry the hair out a little bit because of the calcium buildup, and I have naturally dry hair, I have to use something that's hydrating on my hair after that treatment. And so what I decided to use this time is the TGIN Miracle RepairX Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. This was the first time I was using it, which was a little bit of, it was a gamble. I'm going to tell you, it was a gamble. Who knew? Because I tried the other hair mask that TGIN has. I think it's the Honey Miracle Mask or the Miracle Honey Mask, whatever it's called. And I didn't quite care for it. I didn't feel like it really did a whole lot for my hair. So I was a little skeptical, but this was actually pretty good, which makes sense because it's for high porosity hair and my hair is on the high porosity side. I left it on for about an hour using a deep conditioning cap and my hair felt so great afterwards. After I washed my hair and conditioned and all that jazz, it was time to then dry my hair. And lately I've been doing roller sets to dry my hair. I just feel like I don't have to do a lot of manipulation to my hair to get a roller set done. I'm not blow drying and it's not direct heat that I'm applying to my hair. So I feel like it allows me to dry my hair with heat without all the potential damage that blow drying my hair can cause. So to get a nice result from the roller set, I use a minimal amount of product. And this time I used for my leave-in the Jane Carter Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner. It's also a detangler and a heat protectant. I've used it in the past and decided to bring it back into my routine here. And I'm glad that I have. I then follow that up with a hair serum. Right now I'm trying out the Paul Mitchell's Super Skinny Serum. I've heard some really good things about this, basically because it's humidity resistant and I live in Florida and I can use anything and everything to help my hair fight humidity. And then I followed those two up with an actual heat protectant, and this is the one I've been using from Mael. It is the Mangongo Oil Thermal and Heat Protectant Spray. So apply that all to my hair, put my rollers in, and then an hour and 20 minutes later, my hair was dry and done. And here are the results from that wash routine. So honestly, I feel like I got really good results from that post-relaxer wash routine that I tried. Now, some of these products are ones that I'm not moving forward with or I'm still kind of trying out, and I don't know if they'll be a part of my hair regimen, but I feel like for the most part, the majority of them I will probably use again for my next post-relaxer wash day, which will happen in like 12, 13, or 14 weeks. I haven't decided how long I'm stretching this time around, but I think I got good results. And so I'm happy that I tried something out. I'm happy that I tried this routine out, and I really thought about what my hair needs and what kind of products I needed to use to get good results. If you have any questions about this routine that I did, about any of the products that I use, please go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. And if you have a specific post-relaxer wash routine that you follow, I'd love to hear about it. What do you do? What products do you use? Please go ahead and also leave that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a like, and also please share it on your social channels. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which you can do by hitting the red subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.